Gaztransport Technigaz (GTT) is a marine engineering company specialized in the design of membrane cryogenic insulation systems for vessels carrying liquefied natural gas (LNG). Shipyards around the world have chosen to become GTT licensees in order to build vessels incorporating these systems, which are constantly being improved. Besides offering access to its technologies, GTT also provides assistance with their implementation. Gaztransport Technigaz is now the world leader in its field of expertise. In the 60s, two rival French companies developed original technologies to improve the transportation of LNG by sea. Economic growth has boosted the trade for natural gas to such an extent that it's taken some of the demand for energy from oil, making it necessary to find a reliable and cost-effective way of moving LNG around the world. Natural gas liquefies at very low temperatures, minus 160 degrees Celsius, allowing its volume to be reduced 600 times. This means that the extreme low temperature of the cargo needs to be isolated from the hull. Both companies offered a different technological solution to this challenge. Gaztransport developed the NO process, while Technigaz created the MARC process. In 1994, the two companies decided to merge. By forming Gaztransport Technigaz, the pioneers of membrane tank technology optimized their resources to meet their customers' demands. GTT continues to research and develop new systems, including the latest, known as CS1. The systems conceived by GTT have a common logic and are competitively priced. Two layers of insulation which adapt to the shape of the double hull. A double system of tight membranes able to withstand strong temperature variations, as well as the bending motions of the vessel. Three different technologies are on offer, guaranteeing a complete choice. The NO96 process uses two layers of Invar, a nickel-steel alloy with exceptional mechanical characteristics, particularly at low temperatures. This material is unrolled, strake by strake, onto plywood boxes filled with an insulating mineral material known as perlite. A coupler is used to fix the assembly mechanically to the double hull. The Mark III process uses a primary membrane made from corrugated stainless steel. The corrugation provides for the flexibility necessary to absorb both thermal and mechanical contractions. A secondary membrane made up of a composite material called triplex is bonded between the two insulation layers of reinforced polyurethane foam. The resulting assembly is bonded to the double hull. The CS1 process combines certain characteristics of the two previous systems. The insulation is made from two layers of reinforced polyurethane foam, between which is bonded the secondary triplex membrane. This assembly is then covered with Invar. Gaztransport Technigaz is based in France, in the Paris region. Thanks to its expertise, GTT supports shipyards and ship owners on several levels. The teams in charge of research and development, R&D, perfect today's technology and imagine solutions for tomorrow. The future of GTT and its customers depends on research excellency. For this reason, the company has laboratories with unique equipment to test and improve technologies devised by its engineers. Gaztransport Technigaz invests heavily in R&D and registers around 4 or 5 patents each year. The GTT laboratories also have a role in finding innovative technical solutions in order to create new insulation materials. Additionally, the R&D department carries out specific studies to support the engineering work of the company. The engineering department is responsible for supplying the shipyards with the construction drawings for the insulation of the tanks and for the cargo handling system. Two distinct design departments supply these drawings. The cargo handling engineers calculate the sizing of the equipment for the loading and unloading operations. They design the cargo room arrangement, the layout on deck and other related items. For their part, the cargo containment engineers supply the detailed plans of the insulation, carefully considering how it will be installed on board. The GTT teams work closely with their counterparts in the shipyards throughout the development of these plans. During the installation of the insulation, the operations department accompanies the work on site. GTT has representatives on site throughout the whole process. They verify that the shipyard's teams have the latest technical information and ensure that GTT's assembly procedures are correctly followed. After the vessel is delivered, they remain ready to intervene and provide maintenance anywhere in the world 24 hours a day. These engineers can also assist ship owners deal with national and international authorities. Training sessions are regularly organized at GTT premises, where ship owners, classification societies, gas companies, and of course licensed shipbuilders can extend their knowledge of membrane technologies. With the backing and support of its shareholders, GTT has become the world leader in cryogenic insulation for the marine transport of liquefied natural gas. In a world with ever-increasing demand for this source of energy, shipyards seeking the most effective solutions naturally turn towards the technologies offered by GTT for the construction of LNG carriers. With an eye to the future, Gaztransport Technigaz innovates and creates diverse technologies, allowing ever more cost-effective access to LNG for tomorrow.